Hello, my name is Brent McCall, and I'm going to discuss the entire lineup of HDMI cables from Metra Home Theater Group with you. We have 5 full series of HDMI cables that are available to both the integrator and the consumer. Now we're going to start with the most value-oriented product, which is the MHX. The MHX cables are designed to be used typically in a passive system up to 7.5 meters. This means that you can fully support anything within the current HDMI 2.0 domain, which is 3 channels at 6 gigabits a channel for a total of 18. And as we move into the next iteration, it supports a full 4 channels at 6 gigabits per channel, meaning 24 gigabits. Beyond that length, you can add our GA1 or our new GA2 to expand the length capabilities to fully support everything within the current HDMI 2.0 bandwidth requirements. Our next series is MHY. Now the MHY is a little thinner, a little bit more flexible, great in a rack or a tight space, and it ranges from a ½ meter at passive all the way up to a full 15 meters with an active cable, supporting both 18 and 24 gigabits of capability. So you can install it today and go well into the future with this series. And next up is our Velox series of passive cables. This goes up to 10 meters passive and is fully capable of supporting 24 gigabits in and of itself. You don't have to worry about where you go today or tomorrow. However, if you do need to go to 48 in the future, we have the HDM GA2 to get you there. Next up is our fiber series of cables from the install bay. These go up to 260 feet, come in 2 versions, one with the detachable head shell making it easier to run, and the other without. Both, however, are a full 4 by 6 gigabits of capability and will cover everything you need again within the HDMI 2.0 spec and take you into the beginning of the next iteration. Finally, and our 5th option, supports the 8K capabilities of the next version of HDMI. This is a phenomenal fiber cable that will take you all the way out to 8K, take you all the way into the future, and cover everything you need. For any more information about these or any other of the Ethereal or Metra Home Theater products, please go to metrahometheater.com. Check us out on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. Thank you.